Hey everybody, it's Paula from Craftin' by the Pond. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm on here today to do a Beebeecraft unboxing for you. Beebeecraft contacted me again, and I so very much enjoy partnering with them. And so they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some new items that they had in their store. So I said, absolutely. So anyway, I'm going to show you what I picked up. And before we go any further, I just wanted to say hi and welcome to the channel if it's your first time here. And then also, I'm going to link the Beebeecraft website in the description box below. I will also put a coupon code down there for $5 off any orders that you place with Beebeecraft. If you use my code, you'll get $5 off any orders over $40. And that code, you guys, keep it, write it down. It's POND5. POND5, and that code is good until November 16th of 2023. So don't lose it. Write it down. Keep it. Use it up. And also, I got an email from Beebeecraft a few days ago. They're doing the Chinese Spring Festival sale right now, and they have a lot of items in their shop that are up to 50% off, and they're running a special right now with free shipping over $25, and that Chinese Spring Festival sale ends on February the 7th of 2022. So tootle on over there and see what they have. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. So Beebeecraft, everything comes, packaged very nicely. No problems with that at all. And this came actually out of California. And I got it really quickly. I've had it for more than a minute because life, I got it like right before the holidays, and there was just like too much going on, and there's still too much going on, but yet here we are. So everything that I picked up, I have like a purpose for and a plan for, and I'm going to be doing some project shares with what I did pick up, so to kind of inspire you, give you some ideas. And I have to say, you guys, I have not been on the Beebeecraft website very recently because I've been so busy, and they have like all these different suppliers on their page, like Panda Hall, and I was just like, what? Like, I don't know what I've been doing. I don't know. I need to get it together. But anyway, so the first item that I picked up was fabric. Yes, fabric. Okay, because I got a sewing machine for Christmas, and I want to do some tags for my journal. And this fabric, it's called Georgetown, and it's 7 pieces of fabric, and it's 20 by 20 inch, and it's cotton. And they're considered fat quarters, but there's no, you get 7 different designs, and they're not, there's no duplicates, right? So I picked this because I was very much so drawn, because anybody who knows me, follows my channel, I love yellow. It's my favorite color. So let me just kind of open this up. I don't know if the camera will be able to get it all in view, but it's a good quality cotton, like you would get from Joann's or Michael's, someplace like that. And it doesn't smell funny because, sometimes when you get the mail order fabric, it can be a little stinky. And, but this is good. So there's no issue with that. So here is the first, fat quarter with the lemons. And let me see if I can, it's so cold up here in my room that my hands are sticking together. So here is the next print. So I was thinking, vintagey journals. This one came with it. I don't know what I'll do with it. I'm not like a cactus fan, but I will figure something out to do with that. And then, this pretty floral print here. It's pretty muted, and that's kind of what I wanted for a journal I'm going to be working on. And then this is very sweet with the it's just kind of like a pale, I don't know, it's like a tan almost. And then, of course, we have some polka dots. So I like that. And it's a green, like a pale green. And then this is everything. This gingham is a beautiful, beautiful. So you would think, you know, it would have been, when it came, it was be all like wrinkly and just kind of thrown in there. And it really, really was not. So I was very pleased with that, because any time I can save ironing, because I hate to iron. Ugh. So, yeah, so that is the fabric. Yeah, I couldn't believe they have fabric now. I was like, where have I been? I don't even know. So I'll put that to the side and I'll pull it back out. Okay, so the next item that I picked up were these silver heart glue-on bales for earrings, okay? But I'm not going to use these for earrings, and these are from Panda Hall Elite. So let me just kind of open these up so you know, you can see what they are and what I'm talking about. And I still have the plastic on there. So let me see. It came in this great container. There's 150 bales in there. So what I'm going to use these for is for my resin pieces. Okay, so if I make little resin pieces, little resin flowers or what have you, you know, I can glue this to the back, right? Because it's flat. That's why I wanted it, because it's flat. And you can glue it to the back of your resin piece. And so you can hang your resin pieces as like a dangle, right? So, because I got some resin. I kind of played with it a little bit, but you know, due to work life and everything, I haven't really done much. So they're pretty decent size. They're small. And you know, I would have liked to, I probably next time will get bigger ones, but these are going to be great. And like I said, there's 150 in here, and these were $10.59, so not bad at all for 150 bales. I thought that was a great price. So yeah, I'll be working with those. And I think I forgot to tell you all how much the fabric was. The fabric for the 7 pieces of 20 by 20 inch fabric was $12.69. So, you know, not bad. I mean, yeah, and, you know, we'll see. If it works good with my projects, we'll see. Okay. So the next item I picked up were these it's a set of stamps. There are 9 stamps in here, and they're bee themed and butterflies and all those things. So, and these for 7 of these. No, there's 9 in here. Was $10.99. So let me get a piece of paper so that we can truly appreciate what the stamps look like. I'm going to move this over to the side. I don't want to cover up the name, but I want you to be able to see. Okay, and all of their stamps, like I said, it came like packaged in this big envelope, and then each of these stamp sets are individually bagged and wrapped. So, I mean, just the way they send items is just amazing. And if you don't want to use these envelopes to store your stamps in, I tend to like and keep them that way, just for storage. But here is the first set. It says, hold on, let's take the cellophane off. Sorry for the crinkling. You know, some people like it. It doesn't bother me. Oh my goodness, okay, I can't get it over. Oh, cat photo bomb. Sorry. It happens. All of us who have cats and pets and kids, you never know. Okay, so this first set says be happy, heartfelt and handmade by, and be happy, and wishing you the warm and wishing you the warm and wonderful blessing. And it's got like the little bee house and a honey pot. I mean, just really, really cute. I'm going to be doing a bee journal, so I thought those would come in handy. And this is a whole set, you guys. All of these came in this one set. And I know a lot of us really like butterflies, and there were some butterflies here that I did not have. And so I thought these were really pretty. And it says love, and it says flying by just to say hi, and butterfly wishes, and let your dream fly. And then there's a pretty box with some flowers and just some butterflies in a jar. I just thought, wow, incredible. Really, really nice. I really, really like these. So I'm going to be making some cards to demo. I bought some really cute bee paper from Joann's. So, or no, I think I got it from Hobby Lobby when the Paper Studio stuff was like 50% off. I picked up some bee paper, like one of the kits. Okay, so here is some more butterflies, and we have like the dream catcher and some really cute sentiments. The good things in life are better with you. Hope your day is as amazing as you are. And I'm gonna, there seems to be less glare when I take these out, and I should have probably gotten these ready. But it's my channel, and it wouldn't be me if I was prepared. So those you can see. I know I've got new lighting, and I'm still trying to futz with it, I guess is a good way to say. Let's move this out of the way and see. I think when we lay things flat, it's easier to see, and then you can just kind of zoom in. Okay, so there's that set. And then so here is some more butterflies and some very, very pretty flowers. I thought these would be great for some journals and some cards. You know, I'm a card maker by trade. That's how all the sickness already started. So, and this one, the sentiment on this one says, hoping your day is full of sparkle, sending hugs and kisses. But look at these, some of these, you know, the designs on here are just gorgeous. I think I froze. Oh, I froze for a minute. Sorry, guys. You know, they're just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Really, really like those. So, and like I said, I'll be showing more in depth, and I'm probably, when I do come back with the project share for the cards that I'm going to do, I'll actually have all the images stamped out on a paper, because what I've been doing is taking all of my woodblock stamps and stamping them out, and I have them cataloged, so I know what I have, because sometimes the woodblock stamps, you put them away and you forget what you have. So, but I need to start with my clear stamps too, just so I can kind of flip through the book and know what bin they're in or what box, and just pull the box. So I will come back on and show you the designs, you know, when you stamp them out as well. Okay, so now these are my favorite ones. We're getting to the butterfly, the bees, the bee section. We've moved on from the butterflies, and now we're going on to the bees. So this one, I should have, I'm so sorry, guys. You're so patient with me. Hope everybody's doing well. I've been working too much, but such is life. All right, so, and so this is, you know, like I said, best wishes just for you. You've got some cute flowers there, and then of course, you know, the bees and the honey. I don't know what you call those. When you use the honey dippers, I guess is what you call it, or drippers. I don't know. I'm not a honey person. When I drink tea and such, I don't even put sugar in it. Sorry, that was the cat. He just totally ran across my desk for no reason whatsoever and spilled my drink. Oh, no. This video is a disaster. Sorry. Beebeecraft is never going to call me again. All right. All right, so this one here, I'm trying to hurry. It's been 15 minutes. So this one has the honey pot, be happy, feel better soon, thinking of you, and just, you know, various bees and little pieces of the honeycomb. Yeah, just really, really a cute set, and it's probably better you can see it that way. And let's see, one more to go after this one, and this has more of the honeycomb. The sentiments say thoughts of you always put a smile on my face. Have a blooming, marvelous day. And it's got, again, a bee house honey pot, the bee, and there's also a little dragonfly and some of the, those flowers that you can, dandelions that you can blow, make a wish in the wind. So that's really cute. And I like that honeycomb. So, okay, guys, last one. Thanks so much for sticking with me. I appreciate it. And again, I'm going to link links to everything that I got, and you can go check it out for yourself. Don't forget that coupon code, because like I said, that's good for a long time. I'll be using that. Just saying. Okay, and so this one says, Honeybee. All you need is faith, trust, and a sprinkle of fairy dust, and wishing you a year full of hearty laughs, smiling faces, and warm hugs. And again, we have that cute honey pot, and then the hive, the beehive, and the pretty bee here is on the flower, and a little bit of the honeycomb. So, all right, guys, that is what I received from Beebeecraft, and again, this is a 9-set stamp set, and it was $10.99, $10.09. Oh, I gave you guys the wrong price. It was $10.09. So anyhow, guys, I will be back. I'm going to be doing 2 projects. So one, I already told you I'm going to do cards. The other one is, you got to wait and see. Okay. Hope you guys are having a great day. Leave all the links below and the coupon codes. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.